So we started Convoso in 2006, and the funny thing was it wasn't actually started as a business to begin with, right? I had a cousin that had a mortgage company, and his call center needed a dialer, and so we took this open source dialer called VICIdial as it was more as a favor to set up the call center, and we quickly realized that that software had a lot of challenges in terms of bugs, the reporting wasn't accurate, the dialing algorithm was not working really well, and so thousands of call centers use VICIdial, which again it is good because it's free, but it has a lot of downsides. And so what we quickly discovered is that to engage your leads in the right manner, given the change of the way that the consumer likes to be communicated with, you have to take an omni-channel approach to not only just call them, but send them an email, a text message, and really find out when they would like to use which channel to interact with and get them on the phone, essentially. Because nowadays, nobody really wants to pick up the phone anymore unless they know who's calling.